Hello, how's it going, guys? This is the CS student again, and we're gonna be doing this challenge called cookies. Cookies is a pretty nice challenge. It's I did it accidentally just before recording this video. I didn't realize I was not recording, but anyways, we're gonna jump into it. And this is a website, and it says welcome to my cookie search page. See how much I like different cookies. And for example, it gives you an example. It gives you an example of what to type, right? A snickerdoodle, for example, a snickerdoodle. And then you search for it and it just says I love snickerdoodle cookies. Okay, cool. Let's go home and let's see if we can input, I don't know, 2 or something, and it says doesn't appear to be a valid cookie. I want you to check something now, because we're gonna get into the technical part now, and I want you to check on this one called name, right? When we go to the cookies, we go to name, we check on name, and we'll see what happens to snickerdoodle when we press enter. As you can see, it changes name from -1 to 0, right? Now my question is, what if I change it to 1 and I refresh the website? So as you can see, it changes to chocolate chip cookies. And if I change it to number 2, if I can double click, yeah. Let's refresh the website, and it says oatmeal raisin cookies, right? But we're looking for a flag because obviously we want to pass the challenge, and I couldn't be bothered to just type 1 by 1 because I know it goes beyond 3. So what did I do? I ended up making a script. Yes, and here's my script. My script goes the following way. So, but first let me just format it. There we go. And okay, perfect. So this is my script. It imports HTTPX, which is a library for running requests, for making requests to a website. It uses async IO, so I can make asynchronous functions run. And then this is my function called requester. I give it a min range and a max range. Min range is gonna be the lowest cookie number to the max cookie range, right? So we know that 1, 2, and 3 is not, so we can start from 4 if you want. And then we create a client that is asynchronous. We can say and a list which is gonna hold all the request tasks, right? So we can do as many requests as we can in almost no time, right? And then it's gonna make a for loop which is gonna run from the minimum range, which is gonna be, let's say, 1 to 50, and then it's gonna create a task, I will say, in which is basically just a request, a get request with the URL and the cookie set, name, and the index, which is gonna come from the for loop, right? Then after that, it's gonna append the task into the list, and after it finishes appending all these tasks, it will collect all this information and it will check from each response if this format is in the text, because that's how the flags come in picoCTF, right? And if that's the case, then you're gonna print the text. Otherwise, you don't print anything. That's fine. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna run it, and we're gonna see. Oops, I remember I changed the file name. Yep, we run it, and we can see that it made a lot of requests. We don't actually know which one was it, but we can find the cookie here. And if we copy it, I'm pretty sure it's going to be the right one. However, how do you know it's the right one? Well, I'm going to tell you which request number is it, because I remember it. It's the number 18. So, as you can see, picoCTF, and then it says everyone loves cookies. Yeah, fair enough. So we're going to copy the challenge flag, and we're just going to submit it. And here it is. Hooray, you solved this challenge correctly again. Yes. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the challenge, and if you want the code, I'll leave it here maybe somewhere. Anyways, feel free to message me. See you later, guys.